So it was me and my wife, and then we were drinking, eh? And then a friend was there, right?
Nice.
So now we have to go drop off a friend at another friend's place, this complex in Midrand, right?
What were you guys drinking?
Coffee, Centurion.
Okay.
Yeah. So we leave there, and we get to the complex, right? And then we're just chilling there. We're about to leave, and then out of nowhere, this person comes out because we're dropping a friend there, right? To say bye-bye, we're going back now, right? So now, out of nowhere, this person comes and it's Sima. I'm like, oh, fuck, Sima. Long time, haven't seen you in a while, blah, 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 blah. So then me and Sima, we left my wife there. When we dropped off the friend, we left all of them there, got an Uber, went to Coffee Midrand. And then we started drinking until like 2, 3 in the morning.
Whoa!
Yeah. And then the whole time.
And what time did you guys make your way to that coffee?
At about like 1
p.m.
No, midnight.
Oh, so you were there for like 2-3 hours in the evening already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, damn, bro.
And the funniest thing is, while we were sitting there, people would take videos, and she would literally go to every single person and say, please don't upload this, because then people are going to think I'm sleeping my way to the top.
Oh,
shame. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkusasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trending Usima and Omeg after Omeg aqeda khuluma lenkulumo yakhe le yaqeda kuyikhuluma leyo ukuthi athi yena naSima bebahleli asamuye banatha ebusuku bashiya umfati wakhe with her friends. So uthi uSima abekahamba yakonke umuntu lebeka bathatha ama video nema picture athi ngicela ungawapostela ama picture because people are going to think ukuthi I'm sleeping my way to the top. We know ukuthi uSima usebenzela abantu usebenzela MacG ku spreading humor uqashwe ngubani uqashwe nguMacG. So basically uMacG iboss yabani yaSima. So people are now saying ukuthi the reason why uMacG akhuluma lokho ukuthi uyade ukuthi someone is definitely going to post them and sitomangala so uzamanyalo kwenda i-damage control ukuthi sithi masibona olama video circulator of them bahleli ebusuku eklabini singamangali singathuki sisho ukuthi hey but uMacG did say ukuthi yena naSima baphumile. So people are saying ukuthi kwazi kwasolisa people are now saying sure there's definitely something going on between the two of you guys. Why you not unhappy to why she nalady at MacG's wife? Why naga hambanga naye? Why nimdrope ku friend yakhe nihambe nenoyithu naSima? It really doesn't make sense. People are saying and it's giving umhloniphe umfati wakho njona because umshiya njani emnganini ebusuku uhambe uyophuma with your employee, right? So people are saying it doesn't make sense it doesn't make sense. Siyabona ukuthi wendane uthi Michelle MacG is preparing us. Someone is definitely going to post them. So people avumelana ngento leyiwani ukuthi bayade ukuthi khona umuntu otolika ama picture or my video and uyasiprepare wenda i-damage control uMacG. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.